What's up, y'all? It's Tashuanity Whether you're new or just stopping through, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to start your day off, alright? We're back again with another video today, and we'll be getting into some lock tightening along with the works. Stay tuned. So my client here has a lot of new growth, as you can see. It is difficult, and I want to let you all know, to crochet the hair with build up or any thread, rubber bands, lint, anything like that. So you do want to make sure you go in and remove everything as best you can before you start the crocheting process. Right here, I'm just getting into showing you my technique of crocheting. Again, like I always say, you want to make sure your hands are protected unless you're well seasoned, and by well seasoned I mean you've got a little practice under your belt. I've been doing this for a little while, so it is smart and sanitary to use gloves. Don't do as I do as I say, use your gloves. But anywho, make sure the hooks on your needles are pointing downward. That's going to give you a nice pull so that you can grab that new growth from the outside of the lock, drag it through the inside, and push it through another part. And it's really repetitive. Just make sure you keep doing that while rolling the lock in between your fingers to feel for that firmness. And once you get that uniform look that you want and the firmness that you're comfortable with, then you're done. So I'm going to fast forward through this part. You can fast forward through this part. If you're doing this with me, then take your time, because when you do poke yourself, it does hurt. And right here, I'll be doing another one. So I'm going to speed this video up, and y'all can stay tuned for the results. Thanks to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Like I said, whether you're new or just stopping through, thank you so much for showing love. You can show even more love by leaving love in the comments, and you can show even more love by liking this video, and you can show even more love by subscribing to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow me at Tashuanity on Instagram. Peace and love, y'all.